Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki. Dun dun dun. Today is Hot Cross Buns Day. All right, on the A string. So here we go. Hot Cross Buns is a great song because it uses 1 and 2, much like Mary Had a Little Lamb. All right, so you can use them interchangeably, either or both. Why not? They're both great pre-twinkle songs. All right. Here's my friend Miss Layla. She's hanging out today. This is her favorite spot, so she's in the video. All right, so boss practice. Are you ready for this? So, second finger on the A string. Ready, go. 2 1 A, 2 1 A, A 1 1 1 1 2 1 A. Okay. If you have to, go back, skip back, play over. Sing with me, get the boss to memorize it. That's ideal. If not, write it down, whatever it takes. I'll tell you, it's very simple though. It's 2 1 A, 2 1 A, 4 A's, 4 1's, 2 1 A. Okay? So here we go. Let's do pizzicato practice first because I love to exercise the fingers first. Here we go. Thumb, point your finger. Are you ready? 1 and 2. A string. Let's go. 2 1 A, 2 1 A, A 1 1 1 1 2 1 A. Okay, so time for the bow. Okay, Miss Layla, I'm gonna get in your way. Here we go. So 1 and 2. Perfect bow hold, pinky. Ready, go. 2 1 A, 2 1 Okay, just like that. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? All right, I'll see you next time.